Welcome to Minimalism, the first course in the session series. My name is Kent Trammell and I'll be your instructor. Computer graphics can be a very deep and complex endeavor. And on one hand, I think that's partly why it's so rewarding. And on the other hand, it can be very overwhelming in the beginning. You might even think it requires years of skill development in order to create impactful renders. Well, it doesn't have to be that way, and that's why I created this course. It's very possible to create stunning visuals from simple components with a broad, competent skill set. This less is more theme drives the entire session series, but even more so for this course. Not only to ensure the course is approachable by all skill levels, but also to foster rapid project output. My goal is to make you snicker at how basic the modeling is, to surprise you with what effective procedural materials can do, to dazzle you with fundamental lighting setups, and to satisfy you with simplistic animations, most of which are perfect loops. Every chapter in this course represents a unique project, sometimes multiple projects, each of which are designed for a 2-hour creation session. Because I'll bet a lot more people can manage 2 hours to create something substantial rather than bigger projects that take weeks or months. When I was R&Ding these projects, the daily excitement of creating something fresh was truly a rush, and I hope you walk away from this course inspired to do the same. I am expecting some questions about what exactly is included in that 2 hours. Please pause and read through this FAQ if that's you. Every project in the course has a dedicated exercise for you to submit and have your work reviewed. The challenge is for you to apply what you learn in a unique way. This is what will make your skills take root and cultivate your creativity. Like I said before, the course was developed with beginners in mind. Still, if it's your first day using Blender and it's a bit harder than you expected, consider these optional prerequisite courses. Now, if you're ready, let's see just how much more we can create with less.